Hey guys, now we have arrived at the most stunning castle along the Rhine River, and that's, let me get this right, Pfalzgrafenstein. Pfalzgrafenstein. Okay, it's right in front of me, so let me show you. Now, Pfalzgrafenstein Castle was used as a toll castle. So along the either side of the castle, there used to be boom, basically a steel chain that stops boat from going through or past this point unless it pays its toll. Those who refuse to pay will end up in the dungeon at the bottom of the castle itself. The funny thing is, along the riverbank, especially on the other side, it's too shallow for actual bank to pay the toll, so the ship has to actually go to the town over there to pay for it, and then the trumpester over in that village will sound his trumpet to let the castle know that the toll has been paid, and then the ship can then only pass. Okay guys, now I'm gonna get the drone up and running and circle the castle. Let's see how that looks. 20 minutes drive away from the castle is the Mouse Tower, as you can see on the screen. The name comes from a legend. According to it, Hatto II, Archbishop of the area, ruled the land with cruelty. During famine of 974, he sold his food to the peasant at an extortionate price not many can afford. The peasant got angry and decided to rebel, so Hatto tricked them. He told them to wait for him at an empty bar where he would bring food. Upon arriving at the empty barn, he told his servant to lock all the peasants inside and set the barn on fire. Upon hearing the scream, he said the words, "Hear the mice squeak." When Hatto returned to his castle, he was immediately besieged by an army of mice. He fled to this tower in the middle of the river, hoping that the mice would not follow. But they did. Many drowned, but most made it onto the island, where they ate through the tower's doors and crew up to the top floor, where they find Hatto and ate him alive. They have wet their teeth against the stones. Now they pick the bishop's bones. They gnawed the flesh from every limb, for they were sent to do judgment on him.